From its earliest beginnings in Medina under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad (SAW), Islamic civilization grew into a vibrant and far-reaching society, built on a principle of justice, learning, and moral responsibility. It connected people from different lands and cultures under one shared vision of ethical and harmonious living. What exactly is an Islamic civilization? It should be an urban lifestyle based in the religion of Islam with value system and theoretical and practical system of life derived from its religion. Basically, it is a way of life shaped by the teachings and values of Islam. It is not just about religion, but about building a community and society that reflects justice, knowledge, peace, and ethical living. All of the modern standards of civilization, including legal assurance about equity, economy, and ecology, was guaranteed. The same causes and elements do exist today. And Islamic culture and heritage is considerable today, so it is possible for the Muslim nation to re-establish their civilization in a way that they can have coexistence and harmony in the world of civilization. Hence, the idea of Islamic civilization today is not about rejecting modern life, but about rebuilding a society grounded in Islamic principle while working in harmony with the rest of the world.
Islamic civilization still exists up until today, in a way that it is new and modernized. The civilization today consists different numbers of countries, variety of people, and lots of tradition. It is now characterized to adapt to modern challenges and participating in the community where it is still in the evolution of technologies, economies, and culture engagement. The Prophet said, seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. This hadith invites every Muslim to gain knowledge from every kinds of sources, including science. The companions of the Prophet, يعني the Sahaba, who faced new challenges, they had to decipher the Quran with scientific and logical reasoning. The impact of technology depends on the Muslim's intention towards it. If it is to enhance knowledge, then it becomes a good thing. In addition to that, Islam became more easier to spread out due to Islamic contents that are being shared in the social media. Easily spread out, more Muslims in the world. However, it is not widely seen, as it can become a bad influence towards the community. Technologies are making the community today more negligent and inattentive. Muslims delay their prayers, refuses to go out to feel the nature, cooped up inside their houses, and many others.
When we look at civilizations, we see that while they have shared some common features, they have their own distinct differences. Firstly, Islamic civilization seeks prosperity, peace, and ease for mankind both in this world and the next. Western civilizations mostly care about success and progress in this life, with less focus on the hereafter. Second, Islam values both individuals and communities, emphasizing social responsibility. Western civilization focuses more on individualism and personal freedom. Ethics and spirituality are at the center of Islamic civilization, guiding all parts of life like economy and politics. The Western world tends to be more secular, separating religion from public life. Islamic civilization is universal, welcoming people of all nations and ethnicities. Western civilization is often connected to specific cultures or nations. Islam protects 5 basic human rights: life, dignity, property, intellect, and freedom of belief. Western civilization also values human rights, but often with more focus on legal and political freedoms. Sixth, justice and fairness are fundamental in Islam for all people and nations. The Western promotes justice as well, but mostly based on secular laws. Islamic civilization emphasizes balance between material life and spirituality. Western civilization often emphasizes material progress more.
The value system of Islamic civilization, which forms the foundation of a sustainable and universal Islamic way of life. Islamic civilization is built on values that come directly from divine revelation, giving it harmony, balance, and purpose. These values begin with integration, meaning with every aspect of life is interconnected, social, spiritual, economic, and moral life work together just like the harmony found in God's creation. Second, Islam emphasizes humanitarianism. Nothing in Islam is meant to harm mankind. Instead, its teachings promote peace, ease, and well-being. Islam also encourages globalism, viewing humanity as one family, children of Adam and Eve, rejecting racism, tribalism, and narrow nationalism. Another key value is participation and cooperation, where Muslims are encouraged to work together upon goodness. Islam prioritizes justice and equity, ensuring everyone is equal before the law. Leaders and citizens are alike. Next, Islam strongly encourages seeking knowledge, which empowered the rise of a flourishing and advanced Islamic civilization. Other central values include peace and love, eradicating poverty through zakat, protecting human dignity, strengthening the family unit, and emphasizing the role of education and good governance. In conclusion, the value system of Islamic civilization is comprehensive, compassionate, and timeless. These values not only shape one of the greatest civilizations in history, but also to continue offer guidance for building a just, peaceful, and progressive society today. Thank you.